What's up, guys? It's Michael Davis with How to Play Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne, Part 2. So now, when we left off, I believe we left off on the chord like this. So we went through this whole part. And then we did this. And now I think we're working on this part. So I'm just gonna go back one step. So you know this first part is. So you just play the A string, open, 3 times palm muted, then unpalm mute and play an A chord, and then palm mute again, 1, 2, 3, A string, open, 3 times, palm mute, and this chord is, I'm not sure, so it's the 4th string, 6th fret, and then you want to move on to the 3rd string, which is on the 4th fret, and then you move to the 2nd string, and that's on the 5th fret. Oh, my bad. Okay, so take that. This chord is before going back to this chord. But, so take this same chord that I just showed you and just move it up. My bad. I'm getting some weird stuff here. Hold on. I'm gonna figure this out real quick. So. Oh yeah, that was right. My bad. Okay, it was right. So that chord that I just showed you, which is you take your ring finger, put it on the 4th string, 6th fret, then take your pointer, put it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and then take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd string, 5th fret, and you'll get something like this. So.